3 teachers employed to Vauxhall High School in Kingston have been charged by the police after they reportedly held down a student and trimmed his hair.
The charges were laid by the Kingston Eastern Police today, 2 days after the incident occurred.
TVJ's Kirk Wright has the story.
The 15-year-old student says he was pinned down on the school's compound while 4 teachers gave him a haircut. The student said while on the ground he was struggling to relieve himself. He showed us injuries he said he received during the struggle.
So them held him down and 2 more teachers come hang on to him and him say him there hold him on over him head and the scissors cut him and more bust and all them thing there where them should never do. Should never put them hand on him.
The child's parents say the school sent him home on Monday and they gave him money to trim his hair, and he did. But the student said when he arrived at school Tuesday, he was again approached about the height of his hair. He said it was just before devotion that the teachers held him down.
All them need to do is just tell him to carry him parents, so them never have no call him parents and make him come to school without him parents, then him can't come without him parents.
The police say they are aware of the matter and are carrying out a probe.
It's early days yet in our investigations, and we need to hear from the teachers or the persons involved in the incident what is it that really occurred. So we get both sides of the story before a determination is made.
48 hours later, news came that 3 teachers had been charged by the police in connection with the incident. The teachers were charged on Thursday morning with assault and injury. It's reported that the police have not yet determined whether the 4th teacher is to be charged. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.